yeah. We are at the Huntley Gravity Zone. Pretty cool little zone. On the Little Sugar Trails, the outside loop is tunnel vision. More Walton Family Foundation stuff. Thanks to them for all this amazing stuff here in NWA, Northwest Arkansas. We have green trails, the Rendezvous. We have 2 blue trails, one called Tango Whiskey and one called Shock and Awe. And then we also have 2 black trails, one called Ait-Raid and the other called Invasion. These guys are super excited because they just hit Ait-Raid. And I heard them hooting and hollering all the way down. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna start our ride on Rendezvous, which is the first trail here on the left to get warmed up. Careful on the bridge. This is a good green trail for sure. Doesn't really have anything crazy on it. Good for the kids to learn. And we got a little bit of bridge again. Get high in that bird. Tree. Oh, well, I guess that tree decided to fall in the storm last night. Another good reason to go check the trail out before you go send the trail. Big trees down. Oh yeah. Zoom. So this is like a berm speed trail. Oh yeah, if you like to get bermy, this trail's for you. Look at this big berm. Just rip it. Yeah. Tango Whiskey, climbing our way up to Shock and Awe. See how shocking and awing it is. Ava wanted to show us how she can climb these massive hills. Go to the right. There you go. And then to the left. Keep pedaling. Good work. Shock and Awe. You ready? That was a good one. Oh. See, a little slidey on these rocks. Whatever. This, you just keep your speed. Don't really need to pedal. Perfect. Perfect. This one, see, I'm sliding. Oh, not gonna make it again. Oh well. The other ones are good. Oh, it's great. Oh, we haven't jumped this one. There we go. I'm not gonna make this one. Too much brake again. Come on, try not to brake. Oh, I braked. You're almost there. Almost. Yep, let's just check it out. Oh, that's a gap. Nice. It's a gap jump, yep. Tree. Mom's throwing sticks at my bike. Another gap jump. Just gonna follow you in.
Yeah, it's surprisingly slow. Kind of like slowing up it,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome.
super chill.
Okay. And then are these, how big are these like compared to the these looks like about the same size as some of the ones in Shock and Awe.
Yeah. Especially these first two.
These first. Oh yeah. Pre-ride. This is a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. I might cut out before that one. That might be a jump I want my enduro for. What's this? Okay, this is easy. And then, okay. Pre-ride, pre-ride. All right. ait-raid's cool. I like it. The drop's cool. First two jumps are doable. Third jump's kind of big. I don't know. I wish I had my enduro bike, and there I go again throwing excuses, but I really feel a lot more comfortable hitting bigger jumps on the enduro, just in case there is a case. This bike, I'm gonna, you know, if I hit too hard, it's gonna throw me off. An OTB. I'm probably not gonna do the full line. I'm just gonna do the drop in the first two jumps. Probably just keep cycling through those. That was my pre-ride. I'm gonna do a re-ride just on the first three features, and then hopefully we'll do the free ride, kind of like we did on Shock and Awe. And then you can just pop out right here. Almost. Yeah, there we go. That was scary. I didn't pull up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was complete awesomeness. Oh yeah. That was complete awesomeness. Ready? Oh, sun's out. Yeah. Good. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to the Huntley Gravity Zone and what your favorite trail is there. I like Shock and Awe and ait-raid about the same. Make sure you look at other fun trails in the area, as there are a ton of them. I'll have a link in the description to some cool bike books that I've read and to the GoPro I use. If you like bikes, help support the channel and grab some bike stickers. I put them on my vehicles. Also look in the description below for my ebook, Getting Started in Mountain Biking, Your First 90 Days. It'll make your life easier when it comes to getting everything you need to bike. Stay tuned for more epic bike content in the coming videos, and don't miss out by subscribing and clicking that bell so you get notified when they are released. Click on one of these videos to continue your bike journey.